Okay, this is a video on listing new items on eBay. This is assuming that you have the eBay listing group set up and ready to go. So we will go to eBay integration and M2ePro and pull up our listing group. Each listing group represents a combination of listing policies. So if we go into our default group here where we've got most of our items listed, we'll be able to see that we have in our settings and configuration, we have the policies that have been selected for this particular group. So we have a payment policy, shipping policy, returns policy, selling, description and synchronization. So each listing group can have a different combination of these policies. You can create as many policies as you like. So for instance, you may want to create a shipping policy that just includes tracked shipping, and one that just includes standard shipping, and then create two listing groups, one for items over £20 say, and one for items under £20, and allocate the relevant shipping policy to the listing group, depending on how you want to do that. So if we go back to our listing group itself, we've already got items listed here, and we just want to add a new item to this group and list it on eBay. So we go to add products from product list, and we can use the advanced filter here to filter for things that are perhaps between a certain price. We've got our Discogs price here, we've got the actual product price up here somewhere as well. We've got quantity and every other attribute that is available on a product level. So here's our quantity. Maybe we want to make sure that we are selecting items that are only in stock. So quantity equal or greater than 1. Could also use the stock availability here, in stock, out of stock. And price, you may want to only be listing things from a certain price. So price from £10 say. Search there. Here's our items that we can add. Now this is the one that we want to add. Tick the checkbox by everything that you want to put into the listing and send up to eBay, and continue. Once those items have been added to the listing, we then need to allocate eBay categories to those items. This could be 1 or this could be 200 items, or however many items that you want to put up to the listing in one go. So we always use the set manually for each product because we've got attributes that have been created on a product level that provide the category codes that are needed for the listing. So we go to set manually for each product and continue. We then need to allocate the product attribute that needs to be used for this product. So select the items that you want to set it for, edit categories, and this is the section here that we are editing. Submit that and confirm. Got eBay catalog primary category. Let me click edit on that. So we're looking for, rather than manually selecting items here, which would be, we select a Magento attribute. which allocates the category required for each individual product on a product level. So here we go, eBay UK category, that's the value that we need, and we select that. Got that there, and confirm. The system's been a bit slow for some reason. Item specifics, the default one has already been set up, and that's fine to leave that as it is. If you have eBay store categories set up, then you can add those as well. We do have them set up, so we'll add ours. It's not necessary to have the eBay store categories set up, it's just an additional thing that you can do. And we have that store category ID set up under this attribute here, eBay UK store category. Let's select that. Confirm. And that's our category settings completed. Save that. And we'll see this section populated in all of the products that have been selected. So we now have item specifics set, eBay categories and store categories, store primary category. So if you want to see very quickly, we'll have a quick look at where those values are coming from. So on this product, open the page up there. Scroll down to the eBay section, eBay IDs, and we can see that we've got eBay UK category. That's the ID that's required for this particular item. It's based on the genre, so dub, reggae, and it's vinyl. So it's a 12-inch LP, dub, reggae, and if we did a manual lookup in eBay, we'd find that the category ID that we'd need would be this one. And the item condition for this has been allocated already. That 3000 represents the fact that it's a used item. So if we go back to our listing, when this gets listed, those category IDs will be allocated to this product. And if you've got 200 products, the relevant category IDs will be allocated to them as they're listed. So we're ready to go on that. Press continue. And now we get the choice to either list the item immediately or add it to our listing group and then manually list it if we want to. So we'll add this to our listing group and then we'll manually list the item. Okay, so let's take a look at things that are not listed. Just filter that down a bit. Okay, we've got a few items there, but there's the one that we've just added, not listed. We'll select that for listing, go to our actions drop down and list items on eBay. Submit that, confirm, and off it goes. Okay. It's not unusual to get warnings on items when they're listed. You'll see those. Actually, we've got our filter on for not listed, so we won't see it there. We'll change that to listed and take a look at what those warnings are. The item's listed, so there's been no problem with it going up to eBay, but let's just click the view log section here. It's easier and quicker to get to that particular log that's needed. So we can see the product was listed with quantity 1, price £17.99. Additional posting the package was dropped. Barcode wasn't found. I guess there wasn't one on this particular item. And public comments. Okay, so there weren't any public comments to go onto the listing there. So everything's fine with that. There we go, and we can just check the item on eBay itself. And there we go, there's our item with all of our product images. We've got a note on there saying that images are stock images, so the actual product may differ slightly, so that's very clear. And we've got our item details and grading. And that's it. That's our new item listed on eBay.